So, what if the whole idea of financial freedom we grew up with is just a trap?
You're saying the classic plan, good job, save, retire, isn't it?
Exactly. I followed that plan to a T and still felt stuck. I was exchanging time I'd never get back for money that barely covered life.
That sounds all too familiar. What made you finally question it?
A health scare, one of those moments that just shakes you awake. I realized I wasn't free, I was surviving.
Oof, that's heavy. So what changed? Was there an aha moment?
Yeah, when I discovered digital marketing. It wasn't some flashy shortcut, just a practical skill that people actually need.
Digital marketing always felt like it was just for influencers or tech bros.
That's the thing. It's not. It's communication. It's helping businesses grow online. And regular people like me are doing it.
Okay, but what does that even look like? Posting on Instagram all day?
Not necessarily. It could be writing blog posts, making reels, running email campaigns, building simple funnels. Just pick one skill.
That still sounds overwhelming to start from scratch.
Totally. But I started small. Free workshops, blogs, basic videos. I gave myself permission to suck at first.
I like that. Permission to suck. So what was the first thing you got good at?
Content marketing and SEO. Learning how to write in a way that shows up on Google. It's like planting seeds that grow while you sleep.
And people pay for that?
Oh yeah, businesses need visibility and they'll pay for help getting it. Once I saw that, I realized I was onto something real.
So you went from paycheck stress to building income online.
Yep, not overnight, but steadily. The biggest shift was realizing I didn't need to depend on one boss, one paycheck, one system.
That's powerful. But I can hear people thinking, I'm not techie, I'm too old, I've never done this.
I had all those thoughts too. I still get tripped up by tech stuff, but the tools are built for beginners and there's help inside our community.
I guess it's like learning any skill. You don't have to be great to start, just start to get great.
Exactly. Yeah, you're not behind, you're not too late, you just need to start with one step.
So for someone listening right now, feeling that Monday dread, what's the first move?
Pick a skill area, content, social media, email marketing, and learn the basics. There are free guides everywhere. In fact, if you comment guide below, I'll send you the blueprint I'm using.
No excuses, huh?
Nope. Just small moves with big impact, because this isn't about chasing money, it's about reclaiming your time and purpose.
I love that. Less grind, more alignment.
Exactly. So if you're listening, ask yourself, what would real freedom look like for you?
Yeah. Not someone else's version. Yours.
Right. And maybe that starts not with a leap, but with learning just one new skill.
Exactly. One skill can be the spark that shifts everything. Just start there.
The old way of doing life doesn't work for everyone. If you feel like you're meant for more peace, more purpose, more margin, digital marketing might just be the missing piece. It's not about chasing money. It's about building something that matters, something that fits your life, your faith, and your values. This skill gave me the tools to rebuild, not just financially, but emotionally and spiritually too.
If that spoke to you, if you're craving more peace, more purpose, and a path that truly fits your life, then this is your time. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. And drop a comment below. Let me know what more looks like for you. Let's walk this road together.